I'm at the Korte upstairs northeast corner 120,000 BTU furnace. See the flues go up through the roof there. We're going to replace this unit. We're going to put in a Janitral 40,000 BTU furnace because they do not need the additional heat in this facility. It is a 24-inch furnace. You can see the 3-inch media on top. We have a duct detector in the return. It should be a fairly simple change out. It has a 5-ton coil on the bottom. There is a table in the way, and the people here at Korte said they'd replace or get it out of our way.